Hi Capricorn, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and it's time for your love bite now. Capricorn, these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you out there. Take what works for you, okay? Leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Capricorn and send them the messages they need to hear the most about their love life now. Thank you. So, Cappies, before I begin your love bite, with a little bit of a shout out to a wonderful new tarot reader that I connected to on the internet. I really love her readings. She is very renowned, wonderful readings, but a bit new on YouTube. So, if you get time, do check out her channel and show her some support. Her name is, the name of the channel is My's Tarot. MY''S Tarot. Okay, so yes, let's start your reading here then. Let's start with an angel blessing card and let's see how my angels are going to bless this reading with a blessing, guidance, advice, or a message for Capricorn. Blessing, guidance, advice, or a message for Capricorn, my angels. This one. All right, let's keep this here, Capricorn. Let's put the rest back. And the card I have here for you, Capricorn, is Steady Progress. So, what kind of steady progress are you making, Capricorn, in your love life? Or maybe somebody is inching towards you now. Let's see, let's open your cards and see what's going on. So, welcome back, all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. Thank you for your wonderful comments and your likes and your love that you're sending me, your support to the channel. I'm very grateful and thank you. Thank you so much. And of course, Capricorn, if you're new here, we welcome you also. Do join us, subscribe to our Omkara family. We welcome you in. So newbies, this is going to be just a small 9-card spread to check your energy and see what's the message for you today. Of course, we'll be taking some dialogue message cards as well. But if you want to check out the longer readings, I'll leave a couple of attachments at the end of the video, a few links. And your new ones will be on next Thursday. Yes, Thursday for Earth Signs. 9 of Wands in the upright here. Okay, so somebody still wants to fight for the connection, it seems. Capricorn, somebody doesn't want to give up, it seems. Let's open the cards and check it out. And yes, Capricorn, if any of you are looking for a private reading, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. So, yes, the tower blew up, I think. Somebody made some unwise decisions here. Maybe didn't give to the connection. There was no emotional happiness. Maybe somebody was being a bit selfish, wanted to see what else was out there, was trying to control this relationship at one point. And it backfired big time. Now they want to work together with their person now and they want to communicate. So the cards on the table right now are the 10 of Cups in reverse, the Hermit in reverse, the Tower upright, King of Wands in reverse, 3 of Wands upright, the Emperor in reverse, 7 of Swords in reverse, 3 of Pentacles upright, and the 8 of Wands. But center of my deck, somebody is trying to now look beyond and see, kind of waiting for good things to come to their life or see what else is out there, what does their future look like. So there's a lot of contemplation going on and realizing that what they've done in the past has been awful, I think. This is kind of backfired on somebody here. Okay, so let's take some dialogue message cards and then we'll clarify these cards as well, Capricorn. So Capricorn and their person spirit, if they could say something to each other, what would that be? Capricorn and their person. Okay. And let's take a couple from here. Capricorn and their person. What's going on here? Capricorn and their person. Okay. And we'll take a couple more from another deck. Mix it up a bit. Okay. So the first card I have here for you, Capricorn, is Let's get together and disconnect from the world. Somebody is now wanting to work together with someone, maybe try one more time and wants communication to re-begin. Let's get together and disconnect from the world. I feel so much passion for you. Yes, this King of Wands is kind of a passionate king, but sometimes they end up making unwise decisions here. Maybe they try and be too controlling, or they are onto what makes them happy, basically. Next card. I tried to help you with your addictions. See, that's exactly what I was trying to say. I tried to help you with your addictions, but you took me and my love for granted. I was happy and carefree before, but you kept taking from me. You stole my heart, my love, my light, and my well-being. I'm trying to recover from this and heal myself. Somebody was trying to control their partner. Selfish behavior, trying to be a dictator, and this has finally now blown up. And the partner says, hey, listen, I tried, but one person just can't keep giving all the time. Your love makes my day, my week, my month, my year, and my life. Who I think is now the divine masculine, trying to say that. When I say masculine and feminine, Capricorn, I don't mean the man to the woman to the man. Of course, you'll know your situation in every reading, but we all embody the masculine and feminine within each of us. Right? So you would know whether you are the female embodying your masculine side more, or maybe your partner has the feminine side more, but I'm just going according to the cards depicted. Your energies you would be able to recognize better. All right, so this is the masculine, I'm sure. I'm so deeply ashamed of my actions. I can't face you right now because of the hurt I caused you. Can you ever forgive me? Now they've realized, oh my God, what did I do here? I kept looking out to see maybe there was, the grass was greener on the other side. I tried to control my relationship, and now it's blown up because of my selfish behavior, and it's backfired on me. Now they're feeling ashamed. I crave your sexual healing. I fantasize about pleasing you every day. I'm on fire waiting for you. I don't know what else is there or not there in this connection, Capricorn, but it's definitely a very passionate connection here. Now, little lack of emotions though, or at least have been in the past. Somebody didn't want to show it or made unwise decisions and didn't take this connection to the next level where you guys could not just be passionate but also heal each other emotionally. I feel one partner kept giving and the other partner kept taking. You knowingly brought me into a clusterfuck of a situation. I trusted you to do what was right, and you let me down. And that's the reason there was no emotional satisfaction. Right? So somebody didn't do the right thing and let their partner down. I showed you how much I loved you through our kisses. They say if you want to know if someone loves you, it's in their kiss. Darling, my love for you was in my kiss. I can't ever kiss another like that. The thought of you kissing someone else breaks my heart. The last card here, Capricorn, says, walking away from you was the hardest thing I've ever done in my life. And it's my biggest regret. Here, now they're regretting it. They're regretting what they've done. So let's see now what can we hope for now in this connection. 10 of Cups, Spirit. 10 of Cups for Capricorn or their person. Somebody kept making promises. Somebody kept making promises in the past, but they never kind of lived up to their promises. Each and every promise was false. They didn't live up to their words or their promises and brought in a lot of emotional dissatisfaction into this connection in the past. The Hermit Spirit in reverse. Hermit in reverse. Now they want to apologize for making such unwise decisions. They want to have clear communication with their partner. They want to come in with an apology and saying, hey, listen, I'm sorry. I don't want to be separated from you. I don't want to be in isolation from you. I'm sorry I didn't make the right, wise decisions when it was time. And I know now you don't trust me, but I want to apologize to you. I want to communicate with you now. So, what's this tower then, Spirit? Tower? The tower is that the partners now stop talking to them. I think you guys are not talking to each other, and that the tower moment, which has shaken this masculine's life up, is now that the partner has pulled away, is no longer giving off their love anymore, and has brought this connection to a complete halt. And that's kind of shaken them up. Oh my God, what did I do? King of Wands in reverse, Spirit. King of Wands. This was an equal match. This was a total equal match. I have the King of Wands clarified by the Queen of Wands. Now this masculine is realizing that, hey, I had a fabulous partner. All I did was bring unrest and instability into this relationship. I was selfish. I was probably cruel. I was mean. I was harsh. And I didn't give to my person who I know deep in my heart is my equal counterpart. This is the Queen of Wands upright. They are beautiful, sexy, adorable, and my equal match. And what did I do here? What did I do? Now this person is kind of thinking. Three of Wands. Now they're thinking of how they can leave this trouble behind and move once again to a calmer place with their partner. They want to leave the unrest. Yes, there is a lot of love here. Center of my spread. I have to get the Two of Cups in a love bite. Says something, Capricorn. This is a soulmate connection. There is a lot of love. It's in the upright as well. So, oh my God, I don't believe this. The Two of Cups is clarified by the Ace of Cups. This is beautiful. What a beautiful connection. The only problem that's been till now, Capricorn, is that there has been no equal give and take in this relationship. It was a bit imbalanced. One partner was not stepping up to the plate. I mean, look at these two cups. They are equal, right? And both of them are standing on equal footing here. But look at this. This is imbalanced. So that's the reason, even though I think a lot of love was felt or is being felt, somebody said, okay, it's fine if you're not going to give me equal partnership, then I might as well go and see what else is out there. I'm not going to stay in these troubled times all my life. I'm going to move on. The Emperor in reverse, Spirit. Emperor in reverse. Somebody was trying to control. Somebody was trying to appear bigger, stronger than they actually were. And in that place that they were in, where they were trying to maybe control the relationship or behave like a dictator, they lost an empress. The empress has dropped them now. The empress says, I can't live with this negativity all my life. Yes, somebody left somebody who was trying to be a dictator. Somebody who was trying to say, hey, this is going to go my way or the highway. And the empress says, all right, sweetheart, the highway. Okay, I'm not going to give to this connection anymore. I'm dropping this toxicity from my life. I don't want to stay stuck in a place which is going to keep me stuck, right? So I want to get out of it. So now that this empress has made up her mind, I think the masculine is feeling this relationship has totally backfired on them, but they're heartbroken now. They're big time heartbroken. Now they want to send in a message, they want to communicate. I think they want to work together with this. Yes, they want to restart a rebirth of this connection. They want to work together with this partner who's left them, I think now, no longer giving to the situation now. They are heartbroken, they want to re-begin, they want to restart, come out of the grave basically and say, hey, let's start once again. And they want communication now. They're not happy. This tower moment has really shaken this masculine big time. Okay, so what's this tower moment going to say, Spirit? They want to bring justice to Yes, they want to bring justice to this equation now. They know they've created very bad memories. Maybe they didn't commit to their partner, but now I think somebody wants to bring back justice in this relationship. This upheaval has been shocking for them, right? They want to have communication now. Anything else, Spirit? What's this Nine of Wands? Nine of Wands, which is the bottom of my deck. I think the feminine energy is going to hold back right now. They are not interested at the moment. Okay, they are keeping their strength up. They're keeping themselves very, very protected right now. And then there's a masculine feeling abandoned, left out in the cold. So yes, don't be in a rush to forgive them, Capricorn. If you're the feminine watching this, let them work for it. Steady progress. Okay, don't jump right back into their arms when they come back. This has been a shocker. I think it was very required. If a relationship is not built on firm foundation, it's going to keep blowing up. I already have two tower moments here on this in this 9 card spread, right? So it's, if you don't give it time to have steady progress, like build it up with friendship, with trust, it's going to keep blowing up. So this time around, if they do come back, you do want to start again or try again with them, please keep yourself protected, keep your strength up, and make sure it's steady and sure. Okay? So that's all I have for you, Capricorn. I'll see you now next Thursday. Till then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.